Okay, so we're going to be driving in a Category 8 Typhoon. There's some people walking around. The windows are kind of wet. And let's just see what it looks like around here. I'll turn the windshield wiper around a little bit more as well. Anyways, let's put this up on the map first so you can see exactly where we are. Driving Macau. I know you guys like these videos. Okay, let's just kind of show you the route that we're taking. This is the name of our street that we're going to be driving down, or several streets. And anyways, let's just get right into it and drive as if you're in the car with me. All right, as if you're there yourself. Yeah, I don't know if this was a probably better if it wasn't raining, but there are some kind of cool stuff, and what I'm hoping to do is see how it looks outside, if there's any falling debris, flooding, things like that. It's raining quite a bit, and the rain we'll see. We'll just see. You can see some things covered up to the left. The camera will turn around in a second. This is a nice little space to film. If I could park up here, I would film and show you. But all those white things are covered up for the storm. Like that. You're also getting an idea of the beauty of Macau. This is a nice little space up on the hill. A lot of the things that are built on the hills were built by the Portuguese more up away from the ocean. And then historically, near the ocean was closer to what they'd call the Chinese settlements, of people that were, kind of made money through the Portuguese being here, through commerce and trade, and all kinds of economic opportunities historically. So now we're gonna let me see. There's a mirror that I can see that there's nobody coming. It's actually kind of beautiful. Usually when I'm on these roads, cars are just flying real fast. So it's kind of peaceful just to be able to, oh no, I got a car behind me now. But I was hoping just to go kind of slow and take my time. Okay, so we're gonna be turning this way. Kind of taking our time a little bit. I'm gonna just move over slightly because I have a car that wants to get past me. A lot of fast drivers in Macau, so they don't really have patience to wait for people who don't want to overspeed and things like that. That's my take on it anyways. But anyways, I love these narrow alleys that you can take, and yeah, right now it's actually in a storm, so Category 8 right now. So if you're driving and something like fell on you or something like that, then your insurance wouldn't cover it, or if you got in an accident as well. So we're driving nice and careful, and I'm not going very far anyways. I was gonna try to walk around and film a little bit, but it was raining so hard just a little while ago. But it does kind of give you an idea of what Macau looks like. Because yeah, you do have all these beautiful narrow buildings. I like the density a lot. Not everybody does, but I love it. And if I see any space that I can park, I will. And then I can walk around a little bit and see how the storm has affected things. But it looks like everybody's kind of firmly parked where they want to park. And one of the things that we're going to be possibly doing is a lot of people walking around, kind of seeing what the damage that has occurred has. Actually, it doesn't look too bad. I do see like lots of fallen debris, but I didn't hear it. It was Typhoon Category 8 starting last night, and the whole night I didn't hear it. As loud as it could be during some really bad storms that we've had in the past. Thinking of Hato in particular in 2017 and 2018, some really awful typhoons that did a lot of damage, and this isn't one of them. But we do have everything closed, so all the schools are closed, and a lot of the businesses, all the government offices, things like that are all closed today. And we also take a different bridge today, so I think I'll probably end up taking that and that would probably be part of our video as well. Yeah, I love all the architecture. That's the Moorish barracks to the left. There's a police right there, so I don't know exactly what happened there, but ambulance, I mean, sorry, ambulance. Anyways, I think I might just end the video right here. So, little slice of Macau anyways for you.